بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
نون والقلم وما يسطرون.
By the oath of the pen and what it has written.
ما أنت بنعمة ربك بمجنون.
With the benevolence of your Lord, O beloved, you are not insane.
وإن لك لأجرا غير ممنون.
And definitely for you is everlasting reward.
وإنك لعلى خلق عظيم.
And O beloved, your excellent character is undoubtedly of a superb standard.
فستبصر ويبصرون.
So, very soon you, O beloved, will see, and they too will see.
بأيكم المفتون.
That who amongst you was insane?
إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
Indeed, your Lord knows well those who have strayed from His path, and He knows well those who are upon the path of guidance.
فلا تطع المكذبين.
Therefore, do not listen to those who belie.
ودوا لو تدهن فيدهنون.
They are wishing this, that in some way you may soften, so they too might soften their stand.
ولا تطع كل حلاف مهين.
And do not listen to any excessive, oathmonger, disgraceful person,
هماز مشاء بنميم.
the excessive taunter going about excessively slandering,
مناع للخير معتد أثيم.
the excessive hinderer of goodness, transgressor, sinner,
عتل بعد ذلك زنيم.
with immoral character. Besides all that, he is of an illegitimate birth.
أن كان ذا مال وبنين.
Because he has some wealth and sons.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
When our verses are recited to him, he says, these are the stories of the earlier people.
سنسمه على الخرطوم.
We will soon brand him over his pig-like snout.
إنا بلوناهم كما بلونا أصحاب الجنة إذ أقسموا ليصرمنها مصبحين.
We have indeed tested them, i.e., the people of Makkah, the way we had tested the ones of that garden when they swore an oath that they would definitely cut its crop up in the morning.
ولا يستثنون.
And they did not say, if Allah wills.
فطاف عليها طائف من ربك وهم نائمون.
So a twister, i.e., severe storm from your Lord completed its round whilst they were sleeping.
فأصبحت كالصريم.
So in the morning it became like a destroyed fruit garden.
فتنادوا مصبحين.
Then they called out to each other at daybreak,
أن اغدوا على حرثكم إن كنتم صارمين.
that go to your farms in the early morning if you want to pluck fruit.
فانطلقوا وهم يتخافتون.
So they walked while whispering to one another,
ألا يدخلنها اليوم عليكم مسكين.
that today no needy person should enter your garden at all.
وغدوا على حرد قادرين.
And they proceeded early in the morning, assuming they have power over their intention.
فلما رأوها قالوا إنا لضالون.
Then when they saw it, i.e., the devastated garden, they said, we have indeed strayed.
بل نحن محرومون.
Rather, we have become ill-fated.
قال أوسطهم ألم أقل لكم لولا تسبحون.
The most reasonable amongst them said, Did I not tell you that why do you not glorify Allah?
قالوا سبحان ربنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
They said, Glory be to our Lord. Indeed, we were unjust.
فأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتلاومون.
Now, one approached the other while blaming.
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا طاغين.
They said, Woe to us! Indeed, we were rebellious.
عسى ربنا أن يبدلنا خيرا منها إنا إلى ربنا راغبون.
Hopefully our Lord may give us a better replacement, i.e., garden than this. We turn towards our Lord.
كذلك العذاب ولعذاب الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
Such is the punishment, and indeed, the punishment of the hereafter is the greatest. How good if they knew.
إن للمتقين عند ربهم جنات النعيم.
Indeed, for the pious ones with their Lord are gardens of bliss.
أفنجعل المسلمين كالمجرمين.
Should we make the Muslims equal to the criminals in treatment?
ما لكم كيف تحكمون.
What is the matter with you? How unwisely do you judge?
أم لكم كتاب فيه تدرسون.
Is there a divine book from you from which you read?
إن لكم فيه لما تخيرون.
That for you therein is such writing what you choose?
أم لكم أيمان علينا بالغة إلى يوم القيامة إن لكم لما تحكمون.
Or do you have some oaths binding upon us, stretching until the day of resurrection, that you will get whatever you claim?
سلهم أيهم بذلك زعيم.
You should ask them who amongst them is a guarantor for that claim.
أم لهم شركاء فليأتوا بشركائهم إن كانوا صادقين.
Or do they have partners? So they should bring their partners if they are truthful.
يوم يكشف عن ساق ويدعون إلى السجود فلا يستطيعون.
On the day when a shin will be exposed and they will be called to prostrate, so they will be unable to do so.
خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة وقد كانوا يدعون إلى السجود وهم سالمون.
With lowered eyes, humiliation will be overcoming them, and indeed they used to be called in this world to prostrate whilst they were healthy.
فذرني ومن يكذب بهذا الحديث سنستدرجهم من حيث لا يعلمون.
Therefore, the one who belies this discourse, i.e., the Quran, leave him to me. It is close that we will gradually take them from where they know not.
وأملي لهم إن كيدي متين.
And I will give them respite. Indeed, my hidden plan is very solid.
أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون.
Or is it that you, O beloved, ask for compensation from them, that they are burdened with the penalty?
أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون.
Or that they possess the knowledge of the unseen, that with it they are writing it down that they are successful?
فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تكن كصاحب الحوت إذ نادى وهو مكظوم.
Therefore, wait for the command of your Lord, And do not be like the one associated with the fish, i.e., the Prophet Yunus, who called upon his Lord in a state when he was in distress.
لولا أن تداركه نعمة من ربه لنبذ بالعراء وهو مذموم.
Had the favor of his Lord not reached in order to take care of him, so he would have certainly been thrown onto the bare shore, condemned by his people.
فاجتباه ربه فجعله من الصالحين.
His Lord henceforth chose him and made him amongst those who deserve his special closeness.
وإن يكاد الذين كفروا ليزلقونك بأبصارهم لما سمعوا الذكر ويقولون إنه لمجنون.
And the disbelievers definitely seem as if they would make you fall down by casting their evil eyes when they hear the Quran, and they say, "This is far from intelligence."
وما هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
And that is not but advice to all the worlds.
صدق الله العظيم.